Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video I am going to show you how to remove a retweet from your Twitter profile. To remove your retweet from your Twitter profile, first open your X application on your mobile phone. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now here you can see your profile icon at top left corner. Tap on your profile icon. Then tap on profile option at first. With that, here you can see the post that you have reposted. Now, to delete the post that you have reposted, first select the post that you want to remove. Then you can see the repost button. Tap on repost button, which is two arrow icon. Then tap on undo repost at first. With that, you will be able to remove a retweet from your Twitter profile. As you can see here, my retweet has been now removed. This is how we can remove a retweet from our Twitter profile. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.